Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the project we're making today. It's this little bookmark with this little ribbon tail here at the top. So it's really simple to do. Let me show you. I'm going to start off with a piece of whisper white, and this measures 8 inches by 2.5 inches wide. And the stamp set we're going to use is this one called Snowflake Wishes. We're going to use a variety of these snowflakes to make our pattern paper essentially, and the two colours we're going to be using are Gorgeous Grape and Highland Heather. So let's open those up. Okay, so that's Highland Heather and that's Gorgeous Grape. Let me that way I can see the labels. That's fine. So I'm going to start off with my biggest actually, just before I start, I'm also going to bring out my simple chamois so I can clean my stamp sets as I go along. And we're going to start off with this big one, and I'm going to use Gorgeous Grape. So let's just ink it up. Nice and inked. And I'm going to go for the centre of my piece of paper, right there. And then I'm going to do things mainly in threes and then sort of fill in afterward a bit. So we're going to have some of that big one there, and I think some of the big one down here at the bottom. Okay, so now I'm just going to clean this off using my simple chamois, because I'm not sure if I'm going to need this block again, so clean that off. Okay. And now I'm going to go for one of my other ones here, and I'm going to start off with the Highland Heather. Now I'm going to sort of just randomly stamp a bit like that. So clean that one off as well. And then I think I'm going to stamp a few in the Gorgeous Grape as well. So just like that, maybe here, maybe something like that. Okay, so clean that off as well. I'm going to move to this one. And I'm going to start off again in my Highland Heather, and we're just basically filling in now a bit. Okay, I'm going to clean that off. I'm going to go in with Gorgeous Grape. There. And because you can see through these stamps, it's really easy to place them wherever you might want them. So, yeah, that'll do. Just like that. Okay, I think that's enough of that one. So give it a clean as well. And then we're going to go in with our smallest one. One of our smallest ones, and I think I'm going to stick to my Gorgeous Grape. I really love this colour, this Gorgeous Grape. It's such a nice deep purple colour. And now I'm just filling in wherever I want, basically. Until I get something I'm happy with, which I think is enough there. So clean that up, and now we are going to close up our stamps, our ink pads, before we stick our lovely project in them and ruin all the hard work we've done. Close up our simple chamois and put that away. And I've got a piece here of Gorgeous Grape cardstock, and this measures 8¼ inches by 2¾ inches, and we're going to stick our piece of whisper white to that. And I'm just going to use some snail, which is just conked out on me. a new refill in. Now, as you know, snail has retired from Stampin' Up, but as I've said more than once in my videos, I have quite a few refills for this, and I don't want to waste it. It's still good stuff, it still works. The thing we've changed to is very similar. It's called Stampin' Seal. It's also a double-sided tape runner. So I don't see, I'm not going to stop using my snail if I've got some until it's run out, because I don't want to waste anything. So now I'm just going to get my crocodile, and I'm going to use the bigger hole, and I can decide which. I think I'm going to have this as my top, just basically somewhere in the center. Punch a hole, and you can use any hole punch you've got. Okay, and then as I said, we're going to use some of that ribbon. Where is it? Here. And this is our tricolour purple ribbon. And all I'm going to do, I think I've got enough of a piece here actually, so I'm going to use this, is just thread it through, and thread it through like that and just ease it into position like that. And then I'm just going to trim the tail, so let me get my scissors out. Oh, my lights are getting in the way of all my stuff. So trim the tails out like that, and there we go. There's our bookmarks. So what do you think? Really simple, easy project. I love the way you can just make your own patterns, your own designer series paper. So cool. So I hope you liked the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, supply list, links to my online shop and all that good stuff, it'll be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes my Facebook group where I run a monthly card club. We make about 4 to 5 different little projects, and I send the kits out to you, and it includes everything you need to make those projects, and then we craft along once a month in the evening, and we make the projects together, and we have a lot of fun. And I'd love for you to join me, so do check that out. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.